I wish you guys could taste how delicious this fried dumpling was. Crispy on the outside, soft, mushy, and so coconutty on the inside. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the perfect coconut fried dumplings. Want to know how to make these perfect ties? Watch to the end to find out. So in order to make your delicious crunchy coconut fried dumplings, these are all the ingredients you will need. Here we have 2 cups of flour, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 tablespoon baking powder, 1/4 cup coconut powder, and we have 1/3 cup of cold water. However, you're going to need a little more water than the 1/3 cup of water. Stay tuned to know when to use. Alright guys, so now what we're going to be doing is to combine our black pepper, our coconut powder, our baking powder, and our salt to our 2 cups of flour. Then we are going to be mixing this until all our dry ingredients are combined. Oh no, so I'm struggling to video and stir at the same time. So just a minute, let me set this camera right. Perfect. Alright, so now it's time to make our dumplings, and this is where you can be super creative. There's 3 ways in which I like making my dumplings, and this is the first one, which is round. So guys, please don't judge me. I'm not the best person when it comes to making round dumplings or circle dumplings. And this is the other one that I enjoy making. For this one, I call it the press. Last but not least, which is my favorite one among them all, is this one. So for this one, I called it the tie. And how you make the tie is, as you can see, what I'm doing is rolling it in your hands. I enjoy giving it a little stretch as well because we want it to be as long as possible, because when we give it a tie, we want the tie to remain. So you roll it and roll it, get it as long as you can. Alright, so here I have it long enough to make your tie, and what you do is go around, go in between, and give it a little pull. Alright, so now I'm going to be showing you one more time how to make this perfect Thai coconut dumplings. Very important, because if you don't roll it long enough, then when you're ready to fry your dumpling, then it's going to lose. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, leave your comment down below, and subscribe for more.